In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and adjust your Slack notification settings on your desktop to make sure you're always in the loop with what's happening at work. Notifications are crucial for staying updated, whether it's for important project updates or quick team catch-ups. Getting your Slack notifications set just right will help ensure that you're getting all the information you need without unnecessary distractions. Let's start by opening Slack on your desktop. Once you have Slack open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find your profile picture. You'll want to click on this image to access a drop-down menu of options related to your account. This menu is your gateway to customizing your Slack experience. After the drop-down menu appears, look for the Preferences option. Clicking here will open another window where you'll see a variety of settings you can tweak. From here, choose Notifications. This section is specifically tailored to manage all the alerts you receive in Slack. It's organized to help you easily adjust settings to match your preferences. Now, within the Notifications section, take some time to review the available options. Slack allows a great deal of customization when it comes to notifications. You can select which channels you receive notifications from, decide how you want to be notified, and even set specific keywords that will alert you if mentioned. The aim here is to set everything up so that you're only alerted to things that genuinely require your attention, thus reducing unnecessary distractions. Once you've made the desired adjustments, remember that changing notifications might not reflect immediately due to temporary glitches. That's why it's often recommended to restart both Slack and your device. Restarting can resolve lingering issues that may be affecting how notifications are delivered to you. To force quit the Slack app, simply access your computer's Task Manager or Activity Monitor, depending on whether you're using Windows or Mac. Locate Slack in the list of running applications, select it, and choose the option to end or quit the application. After doing this, proceed to restart your device. Rebooting helps refresh your system, clearing out any glitches that might have crept in over time. Once your device is back on, open Slack again. Check if the notifications are behaving as expected. You should now be set up to receive alerts as per your preferences, helping you stay productive and connected with your team. Thanks for tuning in to learn about tweaking Slack notifications. Efficient communication is key in any professional environment, and setting up notifications properly ensures you're always on top of things without being overwhelmed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical tips and guides. See you next time.